What's up, everyone? We're in Hoi An right now. Oh fuck, it's so hot. Probably turn that way. Careful.
I mean, that means it's good, right?
She's popping. Let's see, do a taste test. We got the real musao and the yes. Shit's too good. Cleared. Tiramisu bun.
First.
What I mean, you can try first.
No,
You're holding it.
You're in the middle.
It's like hot.
Now, what's in there?
Oh gosh.
What's something? Interesting.
Did you get cream?
Yeah. It's just whipped cream.
Not bad. The cake on the inside.
I don't know.
I don't know what's inside.
I don't know what that is.
It's chocolatey.
Yeah.
Oh, your haircut.
Sorry.
This is the mango passion.
Tongue.
This one's lucky better. Hey, the little alley right there looks kind of fun.
I know, I saw that too.
Should we go in there? I mean, we're already here. Oh, I know where we're going tonight. Balance. Boba bingsu.
So we just walk around, shop a little bit, and then go back to the hotel?
Yeah. It's still really early.
I know. I just want to go back to like check in.
Durian.
Oh my god. You can have it. That's all yours.
It's good though. Durian flavored ice cream is good.
I can't believe we made it bike, bruh. But I wouldn't want to walk either.
Walking would be 10 times worse.
Battery 8%.
Do I know any of these people?
A lot of foreigners.
How do I get on this wall?
Yeah, ask them.
I want to be on this wall. It says right there. Where? Yeah, come on. Some skewers, mi wang, this is scallow. Let's just roll some up.
I'm gonna try the noodles.
There's? Yeah, it's like a little soup. Scoops.
I tried it, it's like strong.
Let's get it out.
Yeah. I don't know, it's like everybody's like, yeah.
Just cooking it up right now. Should we park out bite? We should park it right here. I kind of want these two. The tornado. Yeah. It's hot. What'd you buy?
Mango sticky rice.
Ain't no way you buying mango sticky rice. It's gonna be hot. I mean, I guess.
I got 3 spoons.
Cheers! Oh. Big munch. My turn.
Bye bye. Look at all the lanterns. Oh, they make you pay for it. This is a weird looking little Doraemon, bro. Freaky. Yo, what's here? Oh. It's a drink place. Gala. Wait, Jersey, it's the drink place. God damn. It's a drink that we had earlier. But this place is just extra special, I guess. Let's find a turn and then we go back.
We're gonna go back, yeah.
We got a whole, and this is tofu. This is like ice, and this one is like hot.
Is that top 10?
Huh?
Is that top 10? The third one?
This one's more like sweet. What is it? Not sweet, but like ice cold. So
You never had this before?
oh, this is really hot. I like the hot one though. This is like my favorite.
I like it when it's lukewarm.
This is the view. I'm good. Suddenly, everyone started leaving, and we feel like there's gonna be a thunderstorm coming. So we're all dipping. Everyone's gone, bro. Like it's all left like at the same time. Go ahead.
Go.
Go to the thing. Go.
a bar?
It's about a fucking thunderstorm, bro. We biked here.
Okay, let's bike and then grab to a bar.
I'm going home. I'm sleeping.
What?
Alright. Let's go home. I can feel the rain. Where you stop?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. People are so like casually still chilling out here. And the storm about to pull up. Go, go. Oh my god. We made it home. Alright, goodbye. See ya. Oh, I tell like it's like pointy. That was like another popular place, but the driver said that last time like a couple people got like food poisoning and performing, like over 100 people.
What?
That means they won't have it again, though, right?
Oh, I don't know. It's pretty popular. Apparently, like my family had that one last time. We're at a coffee shop. It's cute. I kind of want a spoon. Oh, it's cute. It's not hot up here though. It's kind of nice up here,
It's hella hot.
but it's hella hot though. Let's go down. The interior is so nice. Bro, Ivan's boring. He didn't come with us.
Come on.
Hell
You
yeah.
didn't even need them.
Wasted 25,000 for nothing.
Cháu mới đi năm này đó hả? Đi
Dạ, cái này con đi rồi.
Đó.
You can hear the music from the distance, man. You will see. Bro, I'm
Not even going that fast.
It's a party over there. I want to see some people like getting the spinny. Where? Oh shit! All the way over there.
Hai cháu qua quay thúng cho biết.
Dạ hỏi cảm ơn. Dạ hỏi được rồi.
Chơi từ bé qua
You
chơi.
wanna do the spinny thing? Oh my god,
Okay, fine.
that's
I have
crazy.
to hold my hat. It's gonna fall.
It's going crazy. Man, it's going crazy. Oh my god, guess who went on? What the fuck? Bro, you're getting wet. Oh my god. We're currently staying at the Mikasuki of Da Nang. Fit check. We're going to the onsen right now. Oh,
We're about to hit the craziest ride.
that's gonna be the thumbnail. The ride was crazy.
If we started with our phone, we could have held it.
Bro, it was too fast. I couldn't grab the camera.